Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to knit 1 by 1 half twisted rib stitch. Right, so this is a sweater I knit last year and I have used this 1 by 1 half twisted rib stitch for the border for the sweater, see, and also for the cuff. And as you can see, these stitches are looking so neat and clean, see, compared to the normal rib stitch, right? See, so to begin this you must cast on your multiples of 2 stitches, right? So I have already cast on my stitches, and for row 1 you are going to start by knitting your first stitch through the back loop, right? Not through the front loop, not through this loop. You're going to knit your first stitch through the back loop, right? You're going to insert your needle through the back loop, like that, right? And you're going to knit, right? And now your next stitch is going to be a purl stitch. So take your yarn to the front, and your purl stitch, you're going to purl your purl stitch as normal, right? And again take your yarn to the back and knit your next stitch through the back loop. Insert your needle through the back loop, right, through the back loop, and knit, right, and purl your purl stitch as normal, right. Knit your new stitch through the back loop, and purl your purl stitch as normal, and knit your new stitch through the back loop, purl your purl stitch as normal, and you're going to continue knitting through the back loop and purl as normal until the end of your row, right? We have finished our first row, so turn your work, and now for row 2 you're going to knit your knit stitch as normal and purl your purl stitch through the back loop, right? You're going to knit your knit stitch as normal, and you're going to purl your purl stitch through the back loop, not through the front loop. You're going to knit purl your purl stitch through the back loop, like that, see, and purl. Again you're going to knit your knit stitch as normal and purl your purl stitch through the back loop, right? I'll show you again. Knit your knit stitch as normal and purl your purl stitch through the back loop, right? And you're going to continue knitting your knit stitch as normal and pulling your purl stitch through the back loop, right? So we have finished our row 2 as well. So now what you are going to do is you are going to repeat your row 1 and row 2 until you get your desired length, right? So after a few repeats of your row 1 and row 2, your pattern should look like this. See, and if you turn this round, it looks like this. See, this is the side where you knitted your knit stitch through the back loop, and this is the side where you pulled your purl stitch through the back loop, right? Basically, you can use this side as your right side of your knitting, and this side as your wrong side of your knitting, right? So that's how you knit your 1 by 1 twisted rib stitch. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.